Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the product. Short press the setting key to set the screen brightness. The order is high brightness, medium brightness, low brightness auto, off. Press and hold the setting button for 2 seconds to enter the setting. Use the LUX dial to adjust the parameters, and short press to switch the setting options. 12/24H system setting. Hour. Minute. Week. Short press again to exit. Toggle the alarm mode switch to set the alarm mode. Monday through Sunday means it is on every day. Monday through Friday means it is on from Monday to Friday. And Saturday through Sunday means it is on Saturday and Sunday. Press and hold the alarm button for 2 seconds to enter the alarm settings. Use the VOL dial to adjust the parameters, and short press to switch the setting options. Hour. Minute. Music. Volume. Lighting effects. Light brightness. Snooze time. Sunrise advance time. Short press again to exit. Press and hold the sleep button for 2 seconds to enter the sleep mode setting. Use the LUX dial to adjust the parameters, and short press to switch the setting options. Music. Volume. Lighting effects. Light brightness. Timing duration. Short press again to exit. When you don't use any mode, you can adjust it like this. Short press the RGB key to change the lighting effect, a total of 12 lighting effects. Use the LUX dial to adjust the brightness of the light, a total of 16 levels. Long press the RGB key to turn off the light. Short press the music button to switch music, a total of 28 songs. Use the VOL dial to adjust the volume. There are 16 levels in total. Long press the music button to turn off the music. When the alarm sounds, short press to enter snooze mode. When the alarm sounds again, you can repeat the operation. Short press to turn on the strong flashlight. Press again to turn off the strong flashlight.